Hello and welcome to a new YouTube video. Look at this microphone. I look like a wild man, don't I? I need to have my hair cut. I need to have a shave, but tomorrow we are going to a car show / car meet thing. So I'm just in my van. I'm going to head over to the unit and I'm going to collect my Citroen because we're going to be going in my Citroen. Not this Citroen, this is my van. But we're going to be going in my other Citroen, which is the BX, obviously. If you've been watching me for a while, you'll know I have a Citroen BX, but if you haven't been watching, I do have a Citroen BX, which I will be going to this car show in. So I'm just going to head over there now, and then, yeah, this is the start of the video. Right, so we are in the Citroen, ignition on. There you go, started alright then. Give it a bit of a clean, just a bit of a wipe down, nothing major. Might see if I can use Kyle's jet wash and give it a slight jet wash, because that'll be easier than actually giving it a contact wash, won't it? Okay, cool. Might put it into a bit of the higher mode there, make it a bit easier to drive this bugger around these ends, because she's low. As everyone knows, she's very low. Cool. Let's keep going. Okay, so it's one of them. There's a few of us now coming out. Got my Citroen, all the boys are at the unit. So I was like, hey, what are you doing? Do you want to go and get a pint? So we're off to Hollingworth Lake now. We're going to go and grab a pint and hopefully we have no issues with the cars. This is a little test run for tomorrow. We're only traveling 5 miles tomorrow, so it's not a major issue. If we do have issues, you know, it'd be fine. But the weather is absolutely glorious. Look at it there, she's beautiful. The weather's beautiful, so we are ready to go. Turbo, Cosworth, BX, let's go! You got some quick... Oh no, CV boot explosion. Is this side okay? This side's still okay. God damn it. Turns out there's some inconsiderate arsehole jet washing his car right near me. So my car's gonna be filthy. What a prick. What an absolute prick. He's got a reputation for being a prick on the street, him anyway, so. Right, here goes nothing. Pump, pump, pump. alive. See how she does. What a prick! Stop jet washing, you prick. But yeah, she's alive. Let's go meet my pal at the petrol station. 45 quid. Yeah, but
Hopefully it's going to be okay to drive on the street, but it's going to have to be, right?